Hey beauties! Ready to rock 2025 hottest makeup trends? Today I'm creating a full makeup look which is inspired by this year's top styles, from cloudy skin to frosty finishes. Join me for a transformative makeup and let's get glam together. Now for a natural look, I blended with a damp beauty sponge. Use concealer where needed. Actually, I don't have dark circles and I don't need using a concealer, but I want to use it because it's still trending in 2025. That would be enough. Can blend it with the same damp sponge. Alright, so that's that. It's time to use some translucent powder because we want to create that cloudy skin, so we have to combine some shine with some matteness. So I take and I add it on the T-zone. This was the matteness that I was talking about. Now, what about the shine? The shine is highlighter, and I'm going to add the shine right now. I don't know if you can see the result of this cloudy skin on my face, but anyway, take it easy. Barely there brush, it means that we have to use very small amount of blush, unfortunately. The color that I'm using for this technique is very light and I'm using it from this palette. See, this palette contains a lot of colors, a lot of eyeshadows, and also a lot of blushes right here. And these blushes are very suitable for this Barely There brush since they are very natural and they're somehow pale. Okay, so for Barely There brush, I use this color and I will combine it with this one. And for a better result, remember to smile. Feathery natural brows. This technique continues to be popular even in 2025. I will brush my eyebrows upward. Okay, so now we have that clean, natural eyebrow look. And now with the help of this brush and with this eyebrow pomade, I will try to create hair-like strokes. I draw the eyebrow hairs in an oblique order. I apply the initial pressure at the base and then lighten my touch as I move upward, like a feather. This technique creates a natural feathered effect. Next trend of 2025 is the color of eyeshadow, which has to be frosty. The colors that you can choose are icy pink, silver, rose gold, icy or metallic blue. What I choose is icy blue. Again, I go to use this amazing palette, and the icy blue I wanted is here. We need a flat brush, or you can just use your fingertips. And I will apply it from the inner corner. Now I will blend the edges with a fluffy brush. I use the same eyeshadow color for the lower lash line. Fully rimmed eyeliner. This is again another trend of 2025 makeup. For this we need a dark pencil liner. Draw a smooth line alongside your upper lash line and extending slightly for a flick. Now carefully draw a line along your lower lash line and try to connect the lines together. False lashes. I prefer to use false lashes, but It depends on your own preference. First, I use an eyelash curler. Second, I sweep some mascara so that the false lashes would stick to the lashes very much better. Bold lips. Use a lip liner that matches the color you chose for your lipstick. I choose this pink lipstick from Golden Rose number 24. Now take a tissue and blot your lips. Now you can add the second layer for long-lasting result. What do you think? I love the makeup world. By combining these elements, you can achieve a balanced, bold, and beautiful makeup look that is perfect for 2025. And remember, all these trends could be according to your own personal preference. So, we just want to try to elevate our beauty, alright? So take it easy and do what matches your face the most. That's that! Alright, so tell me, what do you think about this makeup look? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips, and share this tutorial with your friends. Bye!